Okay, in the curve fitting, next one is fitting the curve y is equals to ax plus b, ax raised to b. Okay. Consider y is equals to ax raised to b. To solve this one, taking log on both sides. Taking log on both sides. It is log y is equals to log ax raised to b. Next, applying first law of logarithm, log a plus log of x raised to b, or log y. Here we are taking base as e. Log y to the base e is equals to log a to the base e. Okay, next, applying the third law of logarithm, this you can write it as b log x to the base e. Okay, now this is of the form y is equals to a plus bx. This is of the form y is equals to a plus bx, where y is equals to log y to the base e, and a is equals to log a to the base e, and x is equals to log x to the base e. And next, you just look at this equation, y is equals to a plus bx. Nothing but this is of the form y is equals to ax plus b, or y is equals to b plus ax. This is nothing but curve fitting of the straight line. Fitting the straight line for the curve y is equals to b plus ax. This is nothing but whatever we have y is equals to ax raised to b, we have obtained y is equals to a plus bx. Okay, to fit a curve y is equals to ax raised to b, we will use the normal equations of this equation y is equals to ax plus b. We will use normal equations of y is equals to ax plus b, and we will find the values of a and b. Okay, after finding the values of a and b, next we will fit a curve in the form y is equals to a x raised to b. Okay, to find the values of a and b, we are using the normal equations of first curve fitting y is equals to ax plus b. Okay, after finding the values of a and b, we can fit a curve y is equals to a into x raised to b. Okay. On that curve fitting, let us have an example. Fit a least square geometric curve y is equals to ax raised to b for the following data. Here x and y are given. X values are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Y is 0.5, 2, 4.5, 8, 12.5. Okay, let us consider given curve y is equals to a into x raised to b. Okay. Now next, after taking log to this one, we are writing log y to the base e, log a to the base e, plus b into log x to the base e. This is of the form y is equals to a plus b x. Now this equation is nothing but equation of straight line having the normal equations. The normal equations associated with y equals to a plus bx. The normal equations for this one is, first one, summation of y is equals to na plus b into summation of x. Next, summation of xy. Summation of xy is equals to a into summation of x plus b into summation of x square. This is of the form y is equals to log, where y is equals to log y to the base e, a is log a to the base e, x is log x to the base e. where y is equals to log a to the base e, a is equals to log a to the base e, x is equals to log x to the base e. These are the normal equations associated with y is equals to a plus bx. Means here we need to find summation of y, summation of x, summation of x square and summation of xy. Okay, let us write a table. Here they have given small x and small y. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And y 0.5, 2, 4.5, 8, next 12.5. Here they are asking capital Y, summation of capital Y, summation of capital X, summation of capital XY, summation of capital X square. And we know that capital Y is nothing but log y to the base e, right? Next, x is nothing but log x to the base e, small x to the base e. That we will find first. First we will find capital X. Capital X is nothing but log x to the base e. Means we go on putting log to these terms. Okay, after putting log to those terms, log 1 value. Log 1 value is 0. Next log 2 value is 0.6931. Log 3 value is 1.0986. Next log 4 value is 1.3863. Next log 5 value is 1.6094. And we need summation of x. Therefore, add these all the terms. Of adding, here we are getting this one as 4.7874. Next we will find y, capital Y. Capital Y is nothing but log of small y to the base e. That means apply log to these terms. Log 5 values. Log 5 values minus 0.6931. Next log 2 value 0.6931. Log 4.5, that is 1.5041. Next log 8 value. Log 8 value is 2.0794. Next log 12.5 values. This is 2.5247. Next we want summation of y. Adding all these y values. Here we are getting 6.1090. 6.1090. Next term is nothing but xy. Xy means multiplying these values. Okay, 0 into minus 0.6931 is nothing but 0. Next, adding these two terms, here we are getting this as 0.4804. 1 minute. After multiplying 0.6931 into 0.6931, we are getting 0.4804. Next, 1.0986 into 1.5041. Here we are getting this one as 1.6524. Next, 1.3863 into 2.0794. Here we are getting this as 2.8827. Next, 1.6094 into 2.5257. Here we are getting this as 4.0649. Next, sum of all these values, that is sum of xy. Here we are getting 9.0804. Next, we need x square. X square means 0 square is 0. Next, 0.6931 is 0.4804. Next, 1.0986 square is 1.2069. Next, 1.38 0.63 square. This is 1.9218. Next 1.6094 square is 2.5902. Summation of x square. Summation of x square is 6.1993. This is a table of required values. That is summation of x, summation of y, summation xy, summation x square. These are our required values. Okay, next we will substitute these values in normal equations. Consider the normal equations associated with the capital Y is equals to capital A plus B into summation of capital A. Okay. That is first one, summation of Y is equals to, this is capital A, N A. Here N is equals to how much here? Where N is equals to 5. Summation of Y is equals to, first one is N A plus B into summation of x. Okay. First summation of y. How much it is? Summation of y is 6.1092. N is 5. 5. 1 minute. Summation of y is equals to 6.1092. Next, this is equals to 5a plus b into summation of x. Summation of x is here only. That is 4.7874b. Next, just consider this as equation 1. Next, summation of xy. Summation of xy is equals to a into summation of x plus b into summation of x square. That is summation of xy. How much it is? 9.0804, which is equals to a into summation x. Summation x is 4.7874a plus summation x square 6.1993 into b. Take it as equation 2. Next, on solving 1 and 2. On solving 1 and 2, we are going to get the values of a, capital A and B. First, capital A value here on solving equations, we are getting a is equals to minus 0.69315. Next, after substituting the value of A in any of these equations, we are obtaining the value of B is equals to 2. Okay. This is the value of capital A. But to fit a curve y is equals to ax raised to b means here it is small a. So therefore we need to find small a. For that one, consider, we know that a is equals to log a to the base e, or this you can write it as log a to the base e is equals to a, and by the definition of logarithm, this you can write it as a is equals to e raised to a. A is equals to e raised to a, nothing but e raised to capital A value we have obtained minus 0.69315, and this equals to small a value is nothing but 0.5. A value small a is equals to 0.5 and small b is equals to 2. Therefore, the required curve. Therefore, the required curve fit is y is equals to ax raised to b or 0.5 into x raised to 2. This is our required curve fit. Consider v is equals to at raised to b. Okay. Here they have given a next example. An experiment of lifetime t of cutting tool at different cutting speeds in v. Speed they have given in v are given below. Lifetime they have given in t and cutting speed they have given in v. Okay. That speeds are they have given 350, 400, 500, 600 and lifetime. That is in t they have given 61, 26, 7, 2.6. Fit a relation of the form v is equals to at raised to b. Consider v is equals to at raised to b. Apply log on both sides. Log v to the base e is equals to log a to the base e plus p log t to the base e, or this is of the form v is equals to a plus b t. This is of the form v is equals to a plus b t, where v is equals to capital V is equals to log v to the base a. A is nothing but log a to the base e, and capital T is equals to log t to the base e. Now just look at this equation. This is of the form y is equals to ax plus b, straight line equation. Okay, now we will use normal equations of y is equals to ax plus b associated v is equals to a plus bt. That is the normal equations. The normal equations associated with v is equals to a plus bt. Let us see normal equations. First one, summation of v is equals to na plus b into summation of t. Next, summation of vt. Summation of vt is equals to a into summation of t plus b into summation of t square. These are the normal equations associated with v is equals to a plus bt. Means we have equation y is equals to ax plus b. We need to write the normal equations according to the whatever we have the equations. Means here y and x go on changes and a and b parameters also changes. Like y is equals to, sometimes we make it a plus bx. The normal equations also go on changing with the equations. Okay, here in place of x we have t, in place of y we have v. Okay, next one. Here we need to find summation of v, summation of t, summation of vt, and summation of t square. Okay, to find that one, let us write the table. First, values of t, that is 350, 400, 500, 600, and mean life in t. They are given it is 61, 26, 7, 2.6. Mean life they have given. Okay, next we need to find capital V and capital T. Capital V is nothing but log of small v, and capital T is nothing but log of small t. These we need to find. First we will find capital V, which is nothing but log of v to the base e. That is log of 350. The value of log of 350 is nothing but 5.8579. Next, log of 400. The value of log 400 is nothing but 5.9915. Next, log of 500, that is 6.2146. Log of 600, 6.3969. This is V is equals to log V. Next we will find T. T is equals to log T to the base E. Okay, first find summation of P. Summation of V is equals to 24.4609. Therefore, next we will find T. T is equals to log T to the base E. Log T to the base E means log of small t. First one is log of 61. Log of 61 is 4.1109. Next, log of 26 is 3.2581. Next, log of 7. Log 7 value is 1.9459. Next, log 2.6. Log 2.6 values 0.9555. Next, summation of T value. Adding these all four values, we are getting 10.2704. Next, we will need VT. VT is multiplying capital V and small capital T values. These two. Okay, multiplying these two, we are getting 24. First term 24.0812. Next, multiplying this and this, we are getting 19.5209. Multiplying these two values, here we are getting 12.093. Next, multiplying these two, here we are getting 6.1122. Next, summation of VT. This is equals to 61.8073. Next, one more term we need. Summation of V, we have obtained. Summation T we obtained. Summation of VT we obtained. Next, we need summation of T square. That is, first find out T square here. T square, this one, 4.1109 square. That is 16.8995. Next, this square, that is 10.6152. Next, this term square is 3.7865. Next, this term square is equals to 32.2142. Okay, this is the table of required values. Write down the table neatly every time. Table is most important. Next, now we go on substituting these values in the normal equation. Therefore, the normal equations are. Go on substituting the values. First one, summation of V. Summation of V is 24.4609 equals to NA, where N is equals to how much here? N is equals to 4. 4A plus summation T, that is 10.2704B. Next, summation of VT. Summation of VT is 61.8073. This equals to A into summation T, that is 10.2704 A plus B into summation T square. Summation T square is 32.2142 into B. Okay. Next, on solving equations 1, let us take it as equation 1 and 2. On solving equations 1 and 2, on solving equations 1 and 2, here we are getting the values of capital A and small b. Okay, first one, the value of capital A is 6.5539, and substituting the value of A in any of these equations, we are obtaining the value of B, and the value of B is minus 0.1709. Next, to fit a curve, we want the value of small a, because we need to fit a curve in this form. B is equals to A t raised to B. Here it is small b, and we have obtained that one. Next we want small a. Okay, to find small a value, we have capital A is equals to log A to the base e, or A is equals to e raised to A, or e raised to 6.5539, and the value of A is equals to 701.9766. This, now we have obtained the value of small a and small b. Therefore, the required curve fit is b is equals to at raised to b, and substitute the value of a and b here. 701.9766 into t raised to, the value of b is minus 0.1709. Okay. Here they have given the equation b is equals to at raised to b. Nothing but we have the standard one is ax raised to b only. To solve this equation, what we are doing? We are applying the log, and we are getting the equation of this form, y is equals to a plus bx. This is nothing but equation of straight line, curve fit, and the associated normal equations are in this form. Okay, here we have obtained capital B is equals to a plus bt, and the associated normal equations with this is nothing but summation of v equals to ma plus b into summation of t. Summation of v t is equals to a into summation t plus b into summation t square. Here you need to observe that a, x and y are the variables. These variables will be the same for the normal equation. You just go on changing the variables. Here in the standard one we have x and y, but here we have v and t. T means what? Here the variable x, v is nothing but the variable of y. Here we need to replace, you need to remember the normal equation, standard equations. In place of x, whatever we parameters, just go on substitute, and whatever parameter in place of y is there, replace that one. But means what? They may give in any form. Equation they may give in any form. You need to practice normal equations for these equations. If you practice the normal equations for these equations in the form of x and y, you can easily find the normal equations with given associated equation. You can find, and you can easily solve the equation.